Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use YouTube Shorts to convert new followers. Using YouTube Shorts to convert new followers involves blending high energy content with direct, actionable cues that drives viewers to your profile. For this, your content must be a part of a consistent niche and you must use a strong call to action and link them to your long-form content. Now here are the most effective strategies to convert YouTube Shorts viewers into subscribers. The first thing that you can do is optimize your profile and content strategy. For this, you must establish a defined niche. Do not mix up content types. If your shorts are about cooking, do not post gaming. The second thing that you can do to optimize your profile is create consistent branding. Use a similar style, filter, or editing technique so users recognize your content in the feed. The third thing that you can do is identify your niche community. Research trending topics in your niche to tailor content to an existing audience. Also, do make sure to add the 3-second hook. Grab attention immediately with a question, surprising fact, or visual to prevent scrolling. Also, do make sure to add captions or text. Text overlays, as many users watch without sound, so captions are essential for engagement. Do not forget to use the trending audio, as trending audios tend to push your video out more. And lastly, add the related video feature, which relates your short form content to the long form content that your main video is about. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.